I'm Talia.
Hi, I'm Livia.
Hi, I'm Elara. We are going to give you a tour of Lisbon.
Olá, sou a Talia.
Olá, sou a Livia.
Olá, sou a Elara. Vamos fazer um tour por Lisboa.
This is Belém Tower in Craven, one of Lisbon's most famous landmarks.
This tower on the Tagus River was built in the early 1500s to protect the city's harbor and celebrate Portugal's age of discovery.
Okay, smile everyone. Oh, let me see. That one is perfect.
The Monument of the Discoveries behind us is a massive waterfront sculpture in Belém, built to honor Portugal's age of exploration.
The MAAT is Lisbon's modern art, architecture and technology museum. It's known for its futuristic, wave-shaped building right on the river.
I wonder what the artist was trying to say with this.
It's very abstract. Maybe it's just about the form.
Look at the brushwork on that painting. It's mesmerizing.
Yeah.
I love how they use the negative space right there.
Oh yeah, that really changes the composition.
Yeah.
The Jerónimos Monastery is one of Lisbon's most famous historic landmarks. It's a huge, beautifully detailed monastery built in the 1500s. Pastéis de Belém is the famous bakery in Lisbon that's known for making the original custard tarts. They've been baking them since the 1800s using a secret recipe.
Eu quero aqueles 6, por favor.
Sim, são os melhores. Podes comer o meu também.
Ótima escolha. Deseja algo mais? Queremos 2 pastéis de nata, por favor.
Claro. E para beber?
2 expressos, faz favor.
This is perfect. The espresso, the pastries and the company.
Come here, quick. Okay, smile.
Yay, that turned out so cute.
LX Factory is a creative district in Lisbon built inside old industrial warehouses with cool cafes, street art and indie shop talk. Wow, look at the colors! Quick, step on the blue one. This is so much fun.
viu a cara dele quando ela disse aquilo?
Foi a melhor parte. Ele ficou completamente sem reação.
Eu quase chorei de tanto rir.
Praia de Carcavelos is one of the biggest and most popular beaches near Lisbon. People love sunbathing, playing sports, and surfing here. The water looks amazing today.
I know, I'm ready to jump in.
Hold on, let me just grab my towel.
The water looks amazing. Yeah, it's the perfect temperature. Yeah. Let's go all the way in.
Almost done. We can't have you burning on the first day.
Thanks, ladies. This feels amazing.
Don't mention it.
The water feels amazing. It's so warm once you get past the waves. Let's go all the way out. Here it comes. Oh my gosh, that was huge. Let's go again. The sand is getting really hot.
Yeah, let's walk closer to the water.
My feet are already burning.
Okay, I think that's everything.
Finally, I'm ready for that ice cream.
Me too, it's been such a good day. I heard the tacos there are amazing.
Oh my God, I'm starving.
Let's get a table outside if we can.
Sim, obrigada. Quanto fica? Eu vou querer aquele, por favor. Qual é o mais picante?
São Jorge Castle is the ancient fortress that sits on the highest hill in Lisbon. It has long stone walls. The castle dates back hundreds of years. This is the Calouste Gulbenkian Museum, one of Lisbon's best art museums. The museum holds a private collection by Calouste Gulbenkian, with art from ancient Egypt, Persia, and Asia. Look at the detail right there on the pedestal. Mm-hmm. It's so delicate. And that's when the seagull just took the sandwich right out of his hand.
No way! You are kidding me.
This is Bairro Alto, Sam, one of Lisbon's oldest and liveliest neighborhoods, with traditional houses, small bars, fado cafés, and late-night spots. What an amazing way to end the day, being at the ocean at sunset. This is so beautiful. I love you guys.